Hello and welcome. If you're a fleet owner or part of a maintenance or operations team, you'll want to stick around for this. Today, we're going to uncover the 3 crucial benefits of a proper fleet maintenance plan and how it can save you a significant amount of time and money. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'll be guiding you through how you can start implementing an effective maintenance plan for your fleet. Let's talk about why fleet maintenance should be a top priority for every fleet owner. It's not just an add-on to your fleet tracking solution, it's a vital component that could save you a lot of resources. Today, we're going to explore the 3 major benefits of having a proper fleet maintenance plan and how you can start implementing one effectively. Firstly, diligent fleet maintenance significantly reduces the frequency of breakdowns. The best performing fleets with well-developed maintenance programs operate an impressive 75,528 miles between breakdowns. That's 7 times the distance compared to the average truck, which might see a breakdown every 10,663 miles. With mileage-based maintenance plans, you can achieve similar results. Next, let's address costs. No one enjoys unexpected repair bills, right? Well, reactive maintenance or fixing things only when they break down typically costs twice as much as preventative maintenance plans. By focusing on schedule-based or mileage-based maintenance, you can eliminate many avoidable repair costs and keep your budget in check. The third benefit is all about saving on operational costs. Proper maintenance doesn't just fix issues, it extends your vehicle's lifespan and enhances efficiency. For instance, proper maintenance can improve your vehicle's fuel economy by up to 40%. That's a huge saving. If you're wondering, where do I start? Integrating your fleet management and maintenance software is a great first step. UpKeep, the leading name in CMMS maintenance software, offers an integration with LinksUp, a robust GPS tracking and fleet management system. This integration can do wonders for your fleet by automating and streamlining your maintenance processes. With this integration, work orders can be triggered automatically with DTC alerts and failures reported in DVIRs, ensuring that vehicle faults are never overlooked. It also allows for the real-time syncing of locations and geofences of all your assets, making it easier to assign repairs and maintenance to the right team. Plus, it automatically updates odometer readings and sets work order triggers for recurring mileage-based maintenance plans. If you're ready to take your fleet maintenance to the next level, check out how this integration works or give UpKeep a call. Remember, effective fleet maintenance is key to reducing downtime, saving money, and optimizing operations. Don't let it be an afterthought. Make it a priority and watch your fleet operations transform. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of fleet maintenance, how it can save you time and money, and how UpKeep's integration with LinksUp can streamline your maintenance processes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our solutions, visit upkeep.com. Remember, a well-maintained fleet is a cost-effective fleet. Let's keep your fleet moving forward together.